all calling in that way? Is it better a long time or short time? Like D-line or in the middle? Mine's long time.
Somebody holds the right.
Thank you. Are we for oil?
Yep. Somebody hold the right forward. There's someone there. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back. Are you hit? Oh. Good, I'm good. Okay. Extreme matrix, I like that. I really like it. Hit! Wait, was that? Well, I'm out anyway. Dead man walking.
That's the tap your shoulders, right? That's the touchy part.
That's it.
You stay here like most of the game.
Go. Go. You're stupid. I'm not hit, but he's... Got it? Second, bro. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. You good? You good? No, I'm good. Anybody wants to know? Right, game over, guys. Next up, here's the block.
He's on ponytail.
I'm just done.
Where you get that at?
Okay, are you okay?
Oh, I'm just done.
Wow.
Hey, take your mag out, please. Excuse me, take your mag out.
Keep going.